Hi everyone, welcome to Grace Yoga for You. I'm Grace, and today's practice is focused all on our hips. Having tight or stiff hips can not only cause lack of mobility in our hips, but also pain and discomfort in our hips, our back, and our knees. So today's practice is focused on targeting and loosening those hip muscles. So get into something comfortable, grab a chair, and let's get started. Now before we begin, I want to remind you to remain mindful throughout today's practice about how your body's feeling today. If there's ever a movement or a pose that doesn't feel good to you today, simply come out of it, return to mountain pose, find your breath, and rejoin us whenever you're ready. Now we're going to begin in mountain pose, feet flat on the floor, palms facing down on our knees, and gently soften or close your eyes. Let's turn our attention inward and find our breath. Begin taking deep breaths in and out through your nose. Feel the ground through the corners of your feet. And elongate your spine, lengthening up through the crown of your head. Begin intentionally relaxing your shoulders, your neck, your forehead, your jaw, and even your eyes. Now whenever you're ready, wiggle your fingers, your toes, gently open your eyes. Let's start bringing some gentle movement into our shoulders, lifting them up towards our ears and rolling down your back. Just in your full range of motion. And reverse directions. Back up towards your ears and forward. And relax. And then inhale and bring our right arm up and over to the left side of our head, just gently guiding right ear to right shoulder. Remembering to keep long spine here. We're not pulling, just gently guiding, just a slight pressure, getting a nice stretch in that left side of our neck. And exhale, release. Let's take that on the other side. Inhale, left arm up and over to the right side of our head, gently guiding left ear to left shoulder, now getting a nice stretch in that right side of our neck. On your next exhale, release, come back to center. Now we're going to take a few seated cat-cow, deep inhale. And as you exhale, tuck the tummy round the shoulders into seated cat. Inhale, chest forward, shoulders back into seated cow. And take a couple more of these on your own, following your own breath. On your next exhale, release, shake it out. Now we're going to open our knees up just as wide as is comfortable today. Inhale, bringing your arms up. And as you exhale, gently twisting, bringing right hand to back of chair, left hand to right knee. Gentle twist to the right. And take a few deep breaths here. And on your next inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, gentle twist to the left, right hand to left knee, left hand to back of chair. Soften the belly and lengthen through the spine. And inhale, arms up. And exhale, palms to knees. Bring your legs back into shoulder width apart. Now feel free to scoot back a little bit in your chair. We're going to take a gentle seated low lunge flow, starting by inhaling and bringing our arms up just as far as is comfortable. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, palms to knees, long spine. Exhale, palms come forward like you're pushing into an imaginary wall. Inhale, upright, cactus the arms. And exhale, palms to knees. Now inhale, bring your right knee to chest. Exhale, extend the leg. Inhale, knee to chest. And exhale, release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, palms forward. Inhale, cactus the arms. Exhale, palms to knees. Inhale, left knee to chest. Exhale, extend the leg. Inhale, knee to chest. And exhale, release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, palms forward. Inhale, cactus the arms. And exhale, palms to knees. Now let's take that whole sequence one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, palms forward. Inhale, cactus the arms. Exhale, palms to knees. Inhale, right knee to chest. Exhale, extend the leg. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, palms pushing forward. Inhale, cactus the arms. Exhale, palms to knees. Inhale, left knee to chest. Exhale, extend the leg. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, palms pushing forward. Inhale, cactus the arms. And exhale, release. Shake it out. Now we're going to bring our right foot over our left thigh into seated pigeon pose. Find where you get a comfortable stretch in that right hip, if that means sliding that left foot out a little bit, bringing your foot all the way over or somewhere in between. Take a minute and find what feels good to you today. And let's take a few deep breaths here. And if you need a deeper stretch here, feel free to fold forward, keeping your spine long. And on your next exhale, release. Let's take that on the other side. Inhale and bringing our left foot up and over our right thigh. And again on this side, take a minute to find where you feel comfortable stretching that left hip. Supporting your knee, pulling your foot out a little bit. Take a minute and notice if it feels any different than your right side. Once you find a nice position, let's take a few breaths here. And on your next exhale, release, foot to the ground. Now bring your knees a little bit further apart here. Inhale, bringing your arms up. Exhale, cactusing the arms. Deep inhale here. As you exhale, bring palms together, keeping your elbows up. Inhale, opening, chest forward. Exhale, palms together. Take a few of these on your own, following your own breath. Your next exhale, release, shake it out. Now bring your right leg up and over your left. We're going to take seated pigeon. Inhale, bringing your arms up. And then finding a comfortable position for them to meet. Maybe wrapping forearms around, bringing palms to touch, backs of hands. Or wrapping your arms around yourself in a big hug. Find wherever you get a comfortable stretch here. Lengthen through the spine and up through the crown of the head. Feel a nice stretch in your shoulders and your upper back. On your next exhale, release, unwind, come back to neutral. Let's take that on the other side. Left leg up and over right. Inhale, bringing arms up. And same on this side. Find wherever you get a comfortable stretch. Take a minute, find and notice if it feels any different on this side than on the right. And then find a moment of stillness. Take a few deep breaths. On your next exhale, unwind, release, shake it out. Inhale, bringing those arms up. Exhale, palms to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms to center. One more. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, palms to center. Relax and take a minute now. If you have a blanket or towel, you can place it on the back of your chair. So you can lean a little bit into the back of your chair for a final pose. Bring hands to knees or your thighs, facing palms down. Gently soften or close your eyes. And let's come back to our breath. Let's take a moment of stillness and rest to allow our bodies to integrate everything we've done in our practice. Maybe do a quick body scan, noticing any areas of tension or stress, and breathing into those areas of our body. Whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers, your toes. Open your eyes. Take one more deep breath. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you have any ideas or requests for future videos and practices. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you again soon.